So this is the little ripper for the Jet John project. Picked it up, got it back. Been working on it for about 3 hours now, but had to put a new starter on it. Dude, I picked it up from got a starter for it, so got a starter for like 20 bucks. Paid $100 for the ski, so it's not too bad. But put the new starter in there, put a battery in it. Sprayed some starter fluid in there, cranked it over, and it busted off. So I think it'll work. Seems pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can turn it over and hit the throttle at the same time. But yesterday we managed to get the jet ski cut apart. We got everything out of the hole before we started cutting at it, but we got everything removed, the engine and all the electronics and everything, hoses and stuff that we needed. And then we cut the bottom piece out that we got here. I'm about to make the cut right here, and then the same cut over here, and then flip it over and make some cuts on the top side. I got the piece all cut out, trimmed all up. It's almost to its final form. We got to trim up around the pump here to get that to where it's flush right there and all around there. And then we're thinking we want to trim up this a little bit. We might set the motor in there just to see how much we need to trim for it to like not show past the motor so much, but she's almost there. We did the finishing touches on the jet ski hole piece there, and then cut a smaller hole in the bottom of the boat and just kind of like threw the thing in there to see what it's looking like so far. So we're gonna trim it up a little bit more and then try to start figuring out the jet pump stuff on the back. Working on making a box for the transom so that way it butts up perfectly flat with the ski hole there. And we're welding it out and doggone broke the TIG door, so gotta go get another one. This is what we got on the bottom so far. So what I was saying earlier was trying to bend that up where it's at now. Is the angle is just gonna be like really sharp, versus if we bring it to, where's the spot we're bringing it to? Around here somewhere, in here somewhere. whenever we bring it to right there, the transition will start here and slowly feather down to right there versus it just starting here and just shooting straight down. So I think that'll look better and probably perform better too. So we're just gonna pretty much form it around the hole there and rivet it down in there, and then there's gonna be a gap right here that we're gonna have to put a piece of aluminum in and weld it up. But I think it'll look pretty good. It should work. But the bottom looks right as far as like the way that sucker's sitting in there. I mean, that looks killer. But that's what we got so far. So, well, this is the update, I guess. It's currently 6 in the morning, and we didn't get an early start. We've been working on it since yesterday at like 11 o'clock in the morning. So we got a whole bunch of hours in this thing, but she's in there. We're just waiting for the sealant and stuff to cure while we sleep. But plan is to wake up later today and then get the motor and everything in here and reseal this junk because I forgot to do all that. But yeah, other than that, she's ready to go. This is what we got done yesterday. We got everything set on the back and all the pump stuff and put the engine and everything in. And she's pretty much ready to rip for today. We're going to try to take it on a test drive. We got to figure out some steering stuff, but I don't really know what we're going to do with that. We just got to mess around with it for a while, but